How to use Apple gift card to buy Brawl Pass. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your App Store in your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, you want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon. And then inside here, simply tap on redeem gift card or code. Once you're inside here, you can choose to use your camera to scan the gift card or simply tap on enter code manually to enter the code manually. Once you have redeemed the code, the amount will be added to your Apple ID balance. Make sure it appears correctly before processing. And after you have done that, hit back to your home screen and then let's go ahead and simply open our Brawl Stars. Once you have opened it up, you want to go ahead and simply log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the shop icon. Inside here, you'll then be able to find Brawl Pass. Go ahead and tap onto it. And then inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on purchase. Your Apple gift card balance will automatically be used to pay for it. And that's it guys, you have successfully used an Apple gift card to buy Brawl Star Pass. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.